Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. So let's get started. Today I'm making a spicy mapo tofu. So let's review the ingredients here. I have a medium firm tofu, garlic, ginger, green onion, ground pork, seasoning salt mix, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, chicken broth, cornstarch slurry, and this is hot bean paste, and I'm using the Pishan Doban, and this comes in a package, and I just put in a jar for easier use and storage. This is the Ground Sichuan peppercorn, and this can be found in the seasoning aisle in the Asian market, or you can make your own. You can use the whole Sichuan peppercorn, dry fry it in the pan under low heat until it becomes fragrant. Let it cool and just grind in a spice grinder. For the prep, let's begin with just mincing the ginger and garlic. Just mincing it all together. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next, let's mince the green onion. And for the tofu, we'll cut it into chunks. Cut it in half first. And cut it into about 1 inch cubes. We'll just put it back into the container. And for the pork, there's no need to marinate it. I'm gonna cook it together with the ginger, onion, and the hot bean paste. So all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have the pan set at a medium-high heat. Let's add oil. Add the ground pork. And use your spatula to break up the pieces. We'll add the ginger and garlic. We'll add the chili bean paste. And if you like it spicier, you can add more. And stir fry this for about 30 seconds to break up the bean paste. Add the tofu. Mix this well. For about 30 seconds. We'll add the chicken broth, seasoning salt, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine. So let the mixture come up to a boil. Turn the heat down to medium. So we'll cover it and let it simmer for about 3 minutes so the tofu will absorb all the spicy seasonings. Okay, 3 minutes has elapsed and this looks really good. So give it a taste and you can adjust the seasonings. I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar. We'll add green onions and a sprinkling of the Sichuan peppercorn. And again, you can add more or less to your personal taste. And we'll add the cornstarch slurry to thicken up the sauce. And it smells amazing in here. This is going to taste delicious. And this looks good. Turn the heat off. This is done. So let's serve this. Okay. Smells so good. And here we have a delicious plate of spicy mapo tofu. You can add as much or as little spice as you like. Love tofu. This is one of my favorites. Enjoy! Oh, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, she looks so serious all the time. Ooh, yummy. She loves tofu. No worries, guys. She's not eating the spicy tofu. It's been washed off. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy.